Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you wondering if it is still possible to retrieve your photos and videos after the 30-day recovery grace period? In this video, I am going to recommend you the best method that you can use to recover your files on your iPhone, even after they are supposed to have been permanently deleted. Let's go. Before you start though, I want you to know that you'll be using a special software tool for the recovery process. I've tested several recovery tools, but this one stands out as the most reliable, successfully recovering data I thought was lost forever. Please note that a premium subscription is required for full recovery, but a free trial is available for you to see if your data can be recovered. Moreover, if you use my link below, you'll get the best discount you can currently find online for this tool. Okay, now let's begin with the recovery process. Launch the tool on your computer and choose from 3 recovery modes designed for different scenarios. If you've accidentally deleted data from your iPhone without a backup, the Recover Data from iOS Devices mode is the best choice. This tool can recover lost files, even those deleted a long time ago. After running this mode, connect your iPhone to your computer using the original or an MFI certified cable. Be sure to leave your iPhone unlocked and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the trust process when prompted. Once the software detects your device, select the file type you want to recover and click Scan to initiate the process. Depending on the file size, it may take some time for the software to scan your device. When the scan is complete, all recovered data, both existing and deleted, will be displayed. You can choose to view all files or filter to show only deleted ones. Click on any recovered file to preview its contents and make sure it's the data you need. When you're done selecting the necessary files, click Recover to save them to your computer and view them externally for a closer look once they've downloaded. Meanwhile, the Recover Data from iCloud method is applicable if the lost data was previously synced and backed up to your iCloud account. Unlike the previous method, you don't need to physically connect your device. Simply sign in to your iCloud account using your Apple ID credentials and provide the 6-digit authentication code. Once verified, select the data type you want to recover and start the scan. The software will automatically detect and display data from your existing iCloud backup. Note that the download time will vary depending on the size of your backup, so please be patient during this process. After the scan, you'll see a dashboard where you can filter files, preview their contents, and save a copy to your computer. Finally, the third recovery method, Recover from iTunes Backup. This makes it easy to access your iTunes backup without having to perform a full device restore. The software automatically displays all available iTunes backup files on your computer. If your backup file is not in the default location, you can manually add it using the Import Now option. Then differentiate the backups by device name, date, model, or size. Select the backup point that is likely to contain the data you need and click Next to continue. In the next window, select the type of file you want to recover and wait for the program to scan your iTunes backup for it. When the results are available, you can filter all data to include both existing and deleted items. Just review and select the files you need and save them to your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.